On this episode of the Elena Maker, we make 1,000 subscriber plaque with our Glowforge, and we announce a giveaway for our viewers. It's pretty crazy that in just over 3 months, this channel has grown from less than 200 subscribers to over 1,000.
You love me! You really love me!
So that means I can get paid by YouTube, right? Well, I get a cool plaque at least, right?
Oh, you get nothing!
Well, somebody should get something for hitting 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you watch to the end to find out how you can win a part of $250 worth of laser-related products with our subscriber giveaway. I bought these standoffs several months ago, so let's see if we can use them to make our subscriber plaque. I used Adobe Illustrator to quickly whip up a design using 1/4-inch walnut plywood and some clear red and white acrylic. Overall, the size of the plaque will be 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. If you'd like to see a full tutorial on how I designed this via Illustrator, let me know in the comments below. All of the cuts with the Glowforge were fairly quick, although I did have a couple false starts as I realized I should probably engrave the text on the reverse of the acrylic instead of the front. After everything was cut, it was time for assembly. Well, there you have it, a very cool little YouTube 1,000 subscribers plaque. This type of design could be used for a ton of different purposes and is very simple to design and assemble. Okay, now I mentioned a giveaway, so let's get to the details of that. I thought I'd give away some gift certificates to laser-related stores that I love and frequently use myself. I've got $250 worth of gift cards to give away to subscribers from 4 different laser supply companies. First up is Big Blue Laser Designs. Mark's designs are a great spot to start or continue your laser journey. I personally own probably a dozen of his designs. Super high quality, and he's one super nice guy to boot. Mark was gracious enough to supply 2 $50 gift cards to give away to our subscribers, so make sure you check out his website and start thinking about what items you'll purchase if you win. For anything acrylic supply related, my go-to is Cerulean Tides. For anything wood related, my go-to is Smoky Hill Designs. And for anything blanks related, my go-to is the Tried and Tested group on Facebook. That means I have 5 $50 gift cards to give away, for a total of $250. To enter, all you have to do is be a subscriber and comment on this video with what you'd make with the designs or supplies from these great stores. The giveaway will run until 9 p.m. Eastern on October 15th, 2020, upon which we will pick 5 random comments from the video. Each winner will receive a single $50 gift card to one of the stores mentioned above. A subscriber can only win once during this giveaway, so if your comment is picked more than once, we will draw a replacement comment. So make sure you're a subscriber and let us know in a comment what you'd make using the gift card. Good luck to everyone. If you liked this video, how about smashing that like button? And go ahead and check out the playlist on the screen for more of our Glowforge videos. See you next time.